Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss a important feature of our design model. Okay, so just wait a minute. Let me switch here. Yeah. Okay. So now, just first we need to look into the what are the which underlying chart we are looking for, like index, what are the index and what are the stocks. So whatever stocks you can select. But today we have demonstrated on the Nifty IT and Bank Nifty and Nifty 50. Now today I am just going to demonstrate that one feature on the Bank Nifty chart. So what we need to do here, first we need to go to the Nifty Bank Nifty chart, okay, and then we need to switch on the day time frame. Okay, so what are the things we require for the our model to yeah. So here first let me clear here. So today we are going to see one of the feature of our design model, like how we can draw the target and on what basis. Okay, so for the drawing the target on the chart, what are the input we need? We need to know the three inputs. Okay, let me first major input is what is the value you need to take. So for that, suppose you you want to do, suppose today is 1st of July, right? And previous session it was on 30th June. So like suppose the 1st July market is not happen, right? So then we need to look into the this one, the 30th June. Okay, so yeah. So after that, what we need to do here, so we need to look into the what is the low and high of this candle. So that is one thing. So then you will get the number. So another also, which number you need to check. So you need to check what is the trend of the market. As you see, market is uptrend. Okay, so now you can have the market is uptrend, but now see this candle is make see after that market has shown the bullishness, bearishness in the market, right? So this candle, so this is our important candle to draw the labels. Okay, so first we need to look into the what is the what is the label here. So you can see here what is the highest of this candle is 57,614, right? So now and lower is 57,119. So the as it show the very candle. Okay, so then we need to look into the maximum. So maximum is 27,645. After that, you see we have the our model. Okay, so we need to have the our model to draw the target. So what we have to do, we have to go here and so as you know, this is a show the bearishness. So then we need to switch which trend we need to switch the downtrend. After that, what are the value we need to put the highest value of this candle, right? Highest value is 27,000 27,614, right? This is the value. If you look here, so then you will get from here, you see 57,614, right? So then we have put, this is our design parameter. So this can be changed, it's up to the study. Okay, so then we will see, figure out the later. So yesterday it was 50, right? So then it immediately can be calculated when the market has been started. Okay, so yeah, so now, so and after that these are the target. So suppose we put the 4, this is up to 6, 7 we can put here. So then, but it's not up to the 7, it's it can be extended, but you need to modify it in the code. Okay, so now see, like we have put the 6 number of target. Okay, target our 6 at the 6 numbers. So after that we need to switch, we need to do the okay. So now you see, now all the line has been drawn and this table has been formed. Okay, so you see the target 1 2 3, like see this is the targets line. Okay, so now suppose this is that you have done. Now after that you need to switch the 15-minute time frame. It can be clearly visible, right? You see, if you switch from the day to 15-minute candle, either you can switch on the 5-minute also, it can be seen. It will work for the old time frame. So suppose 15-minute. So now 15-minute mean you need to have the less candle, then clarity will be. If you have the more candle, you want to consider, take the 15-minute chart. So then you see what what we have seen, we have taken the previous day, that is the highest point. Highest point mean your is because the day candle show the bearishness in the market, right? So that's what we have taken, the market has been this. So based on that we have drawn the labels. Okay, this one, this suppose this is the SL, this is the SL point, and it should be the green color, it will be your entry point. After that target, these are the target. So based on that, you see that the table has been drawn. You see how accurate it was, right? So suppose you have enter here, right? So then if your stop loss it will be, and you enter here, then you target 1 2 3. So the target has been completed. You see the numbers, okay? After that, if you enter here, your stop loss, see after the market has been again in the uptrend, but you see here market, as you know, it's not break, right? So still you are in the market, right? Because your SL is there. So after that, see your target, see 1 2, again your target has been completed. After that, you see here your see one target 2 3 4. It's up to you now. Now your stop loss it can be tell, okay, you can exit, but you don't want to suppose, then you can be in the market, right? But up to here, you know the target is here. Until this target you can change, right? And you can follow the market rules, okay? Market is moving, and you see here market has stayed in here. So then we need to look on another parameter, so then we can see what is the exactly happening in this level. This level, like we can see the open interest, what are the okay? So here you see the exact number market has made, and you see market has shown that this candle is like bullish press, right? Bullishness. So this candle is very pressurized, so it's mean that this candle it can be reversed. So then you will get the idea, right? So then you can switch your entry, right? You can make a, you can book your entry here, right? So after that you can exit here from here. So after that you can see, so you have market has shown the this one the nature this candle nature. So it's very highly pressurized, so mean it can be, it might be market take the reversal from here. So then accordingly you can act, okay? After that, see, and also previous session, if you see here very huge here, see there is a demand zone here. So as your market has came the demand, and also the we can see the, if you see if you go into the more detail, then we can have a look the FVG and all. So that, but we are not discussing here, just we are discussing the how we can draw the targets, okay? So now this is demand zone, so this market has the possibility to reverse, it will take from reverse from the this line, okay? So yeah, so now see up to here. After that you got the point. So now what again you need to do the, because that your target has been, but then market has made the reversal here. So now again what you need to do, you need to get the upside target, what should be the targets, okay? So now what you have to do, you need to take this what is this now market has made the low of the day, right? This is the low of the day, okay? So like market has done, we have achieved target. Now see market has today like up to here. So now yeah, so after that you have the target. So after that, like in the next day, what you have to do the in the next day, so this target it can be continue, okay? So next day is next day also you can do the same thing, this candle you can take, okay? What this is the generally we took the previously, because if he is cross over the previous high, so then we can take the another one. Till that this point will be valid, okay? This is because this is the highest point for this trend, okay? This it will be valid. Otherwise, if you want to see the locally, so then you can take high, that also is possible, but that target should be smaller here. But we need to get the, because Nifty give the big good move, right? So then we can take this. So again, suppose here at this today's market, you see July 1st, so market made at 11 o'clock is the lowest point. So now we need to look into the what should be the target. So now you need to have, as you know, this market that one parameter we have, like I mentioned in the 50, okay? So now that it will depend on the market, so it can be changed accordingly when market is moved, okay? So now see this is the lowest point of the at 11 o'clock. So what are the minimum point is here, you can see have a like what is the minimum minimum market has made today is 20 what should be number. So it should be just wait a minute. Otherwise, if you want to take the another low view, so then switch here, you will get the correct number here. So see here this candle, what was the low, it was here, what the low here. So low of this today's low, it is it is 57,150. So now we can go back to the here. So I told you this number, what is that? This number is showing here, this candle also the same number, right? 57,150. So that this number is needed. Okay, so again you need to change. Now what are the thing? That is the B option. We have the two both the option. Now market has made the change, right? And you need to put the that number 57,150. That is the that number lowest day when market is not when market at the this level. Okay, so we can take a immediately view and review the matter, and we can change that. So accordingly we can do when market is not after that we need to follow the our level. Okay, so see what happen next. So after that this number it can be changed. Okay, first we need to draw here say, and target is also we can change. Okay, as per our requirement. So now what we need to do, these three parameter we need, one generally two parameter we need to change, 1 2 3 parameter. Okay, so now if see here, so now we have made the changes here. Okay, so now see the old label has been changed. Okay, now your SL should be here and your entry point should be here. Then you have the target 1 2 3 4. Okay, so see the target. Okay, so and the target, and target it will be listed in the table. Okay, so now there is a one more important thing today. Suppose this number, so that is one number. So this number yesterday worked 400. So this we need to test. Okay, so there is some multiple factors are there like 50 10 100. So now after that we need to check here. Okay, so you see we change this number. Okay, you see what exactly our level are. Okay, now see that number, that's what I told you, that number is very important, that 50 or 100. So now suppose see here, you if you enter here, because you know market has shown the reversal point. Okay, after that you try, and our model also shows here. Yeah, so this model only for drawing the level. Okay, so you got the level, right? So see if you have the SL here, then you can enter any here, you enter on exactly here. So you can enter somewhere here, then you need to move. See the target 1 is complete, 2 3 and 4, and it's up to here you can make a target. Okay, target up to, but the market has gone here. So suppose this is the target, you can trail. Okay, this one, this is the completely customized. Okay, you see suppose you put the target 6, you see the line this, suppose you have the target here, if your target set is here, you can have less here. So then you have the idea, so your target possibly it market will go here, that is the possible target. Okay, so now this number, suppose market has having the momentum, right? So based on that your target can be changed and it will be listed in the label. Okay, so suppose you want to show here where the market, then you can switch and number of, you see this line will be shown here. After that see, after that 5 or 6, so now you can we can add the more target, but just we need to add in the code. Okay, but we have 6 7 target is sufficient for this mostly. So you see here, so like that we can have a we can draw the labels. You see what is the exactly the label, right? Market has responded all the label, so that's what that we have designed such system so that market can follow. Okay, so see this is the our model which we have designed, but we also have the advanced model. Okay, so we will not rely, then we have the another advanced. So this is the advanced model, and our advanced model is so that the target point the entry is here till our model is suggesting suggesting to take exit. So till that you can make a you will be in entry, so there will be no issue, right? So then market again, if market has been made the reversal, then our model like so like that candle the market will sign you, alert you. So now that time you can book your entry. Okay, book your yeah. So that yeah, so and this work for all the time frame, it's not the only restrict to the 5 minute. So that you see here, if I switch the 5 minute from the 15-minute time frame, so then you see the exactly the our model has been the lines. You see you can make entry here, the SL should be here, your target should be here there. Okay, so these are the things. Suppose you want to see the next, right? What should be the next? Okay, so that also it is possible, we can project. We have the another advanced model, so where market can go, yeah, and what should be the next projection. Okay, then yeah, so that that is the things I just want to demonstrate about the one of the capability of design model. Okay, only how we can draw the targets. So if your target is visible here, right, so you can notice here I didn't put it any support zone, support line and resistance line. Just our design model, if you follow properly, then it will create everything for you. Okay, in just one click. Okay, just you need to put the some values is 2, and this number is, we have the standard number, just 2 3 you can change, then you will get the correct number. Okay, because we have done a lot of research to get those numbers. Okay, so and we have this our advanced system. Okay, for the support. So we are not relying on one system, we have the multiple confirmation around, for we follow that whatever the we follow. Okay, so that's the things which I want to demonstrate it. One, how we can do the target, or how we can project the targets based on the current market. Okay, so and yeah, so that's the things. If you have any query, if you want to test our model, and if you want to associate with us, right, so then you can you can drop a mail. So then yeah, so we can take it separately for the discussion. Okay, so yeah, so that's the thing I want to discuss with you. Okay, so yeah guys, so we can have some, we can have the some another new topics, or new another feature which we are adding, just we I will be updating time to time. Okay, then we have the fully integrated other another model. So then also I can make, I can show, I'll show on the live chart. Okay, live market. So then you can see the how accurate and how what is the convection rate of a design model is very high. So we have tested on the mostly all the market. Yeah, so yeah, so if you have any query, just write to me. So till that, see you, bye. Okay, yeah.